Hello, data lovers. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. So, just to dive into the world of Excel, today I will tell you very interesting thing. If you want to practice Excel from Excel, so let's get started. So, if you go to your Excel, here is the help section. Go to the help section and then show training is the option. From here, you can download. As you can see, here are different Excel video training, so you can download whichever topic you want to practice. As I have already downloaded formula tutorial, so I have downloaded it. So here is, they have given the description of what formula does what, and beside that they have exercise also to practice along. So they have many options like average, min, max, date, time functions, joining text and number, which are generally of a data analyst uses in their day-to-day work. So I hope this document will really help you and make your Excel problems easy and make you practice easily Excel. So you can check this out for sure, and please like, share and subscribe to this video and my channel. Thank you.